Hi, welcome back to AG Free Template page. Today mockup file is DVD Case Mockup file. Uh, there are 6 free templates available here, so totally free. So guys, it's very easy to promote your graphic. So I'll show you what are the templates I was uploaded. So let's check. So first one, this is the first one. If you want to change the DVD design, just click DVD project, double click on here. Here is the your graphic, so design your graphic and change it here. For sample, I'll upload a image. So just I download this one, Madagascar cartoon, and drag this one, and I'll show this is for just for sample. You have to design your own. And close it and save it. Here is the design. So I'm going to second one also. The same thing here. This is left side one and right side one, and there's a middle layer. So there are back one here, back side, and edge. This is the edge label, edge label, and the cover slide. So just I'll show you how to change this one. This is the back one, so I'll use the same image for sample. So it, oh yes. So this is your awesome DVD cover. So there are more than five more. There are 6 templates here. So we'll check another one. Here the same way to change. Double click here and change it. And the fourth one. Here also the same thing. So I'll show you. This is the cache. So this is click on the cover, and I'll use another one. Okay. this is the H. This is H label, which is in this line. This is the one, and the DVD project. This is the CD's graphic. So I use the same. This is for just for sample, so you have to develop your own and try it. So the fourth one finished. So I'll go to the fifth one. The back side and the front side. Here is this only the CD inside inside the cache. So guys, I think it's very useful for you. So I'll upload this file, download it from the description. I'll insert the link, so go to the link and download it. So if you want more templates like this, go to my Facebook page. Here is lot of mockup files and adobe animations templates, and the coding also available. So go to my page and give a like and enjoy. Thank you so much. See you later.